how to download even when your computer is in sleep. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download even when your computer is in sleep. So first, just open up your edit power plan on from your settings, and now simply select this put the computer in sleep mode option over here, and to select it to never for both the condition one when on battery or you're plugged in. So now just select advanced settings and click on this on battery option. So now what you need to do is just set it to whatever number I press over here. So now I will select the number 1440, which is an equivalent to 24 hours. So basically I don't want it to sleep for 24 hours, and just simply click on apply and click on OK. And once you do that, just don't forget to click on save changes, and just like that you have done it. So that is it for today guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.